Hey everyone, this is Kellen from Electric Wheelchairs USA. In this video, we're going to go over one of the lightest folding electric wheelchairs on the market today. It's called the Phoenix and it's made by ComfyGo. Now this folding electric wheelchair is a carbon fiber frame. It's super lightweight. In fact, it only weighs 27 pounds when you remove the battery and the joystick. So it's ultra lightweight. You also have some different cushion colors that you can customize, and we'll throw them on the screen so you can see the types of cushions that you can get. This is the standard cushion, so it's more of like a mesh fabric, but you can get these upgraded cushions that have a little more padding and they just have better stitching, and it really makes the chair pop. So it really stands out. So we really like that. So I'm going to get into it. I'm going to show you some more about why I really like this chair and why it's really one of the more revolutionary chairs in the industry.
Another thing I'd like to mention is we have a catalog that we can send to you for free. It's of our top sellers. You can call us, provide your information to any agent that answers the phone. We'll get that entered into our system, and it takes about 10 days to get to you once we've received that. Or if you prefer to just fill it out online, just click on free catalog. It's at the top of our website. Fill out your information and we'll send it to you within 10 days. So back to the video.
This chair can actually support 286 pounds. Now they had a Phoenix version for ComfyGo. I think the original one only supported about 235 or 240, but they've improved the quality of this design and now it can support 286 pounds. So being only 27 pounds in weight and able to support that much in weight for a user is pretty incredible. It's super easy to operate. It's ultra quiet too. That's one thing that really stands out to me. I've ridden other folding electric wheelchairs that are lightweight like this, and you can hear the motor. But this, I mean, it is so quiet you can't even hear it. So I'll show you just the capability of how you can turn this. I mean, this is great for indoor use. Because it's a compact chair, it's great to get around your home. It's also great for travel, which is what it's made for, because it's airline approved. Now there's two batteries for this. Now the first battery, it actually has two batteries, so there's one on each side. So the first battery option will get you up to 15 miles on a single charge, and it's gonna have two batteries. That is airline approved. You can increase the battery range and get the upgraded batteries, which is 25 miles on a charge. Those are not airline approved, so something to keep in mind. You have again, to talk about these textiles. So this is the standard cushion. It's kind of like this mesh fabric, so it's breathable. But the upgraded ones, they're easy to clean. So if you spilt something on it, it's easy to wipe off. I like that the foot plates are easy to remove, easy to flip up. So when you're traveling, what I would recommend doing is taking these off, and there's a pin here. So I'll actually remove both of these. So let's say, for example, we're flying with this. I would take these off and bring these on with you. So that's one thing I would do, is one of the first steps. You're also gonna have to take off the cushions if you want it to fold correctly. Cushions are super easy to remove. They're secured by Velcro. So I'd take both of these off, turn it off. I would remove the joystick. Joystick is super easy to remove. They made the connector right here, easy to access. You just unscrew this and then loosen this, take this off, and then remove the battery. So I also like this with the battery. So you just flip this little clip, it slides right out. So remember, you're gonna have two batteries. There's one on the other side. You remove it the same exact way. So this is what you would have to take on, all this together. This is what I recommend. So you got your cushions, foot plates, two batteries, joystick. Now the rest of this is what you would fold and give to the airline. So now to fold this, first there's two little buttons here, or little levers. You're gonna fold the seat back down and then fold it like this. And this is what you're gonna give to the airline. So again, extremely lightweight. 27 pounds. That's the process. So then once you get to your destination, with the airline, they're gonna have this sitting on the jetway. So when you get off the plane, well, typically that's where like strollers are. This is gonna be sitting there with them. So you're gonna bring your cushion, batteries, joystick, and the foot plates or the leg rest. And you just unfold it, just like that. Gonna insert the batteries, which is super easy to do. We're gonna put the foot plates on, just line these holes up, put the clip in. You attach the joystick. Now the joystick is super easy to put on the left side if you're left-handed. So all you have to do is line it up in this hole, slide it in there, connect it, make sure you line up the prongs, tighten this, tighten the joystick, then just line up the cushions. Now you probably could fold it with the cushions on, but I probably wouldn't fold it and then give it to the airline, because they could lose the cushions or they could get really dirty. I would just take them off and bring them on with you. You could easily fit all of this stuff in a small bag as your carry-on. So now we got it fully assembled. So you can see I've turned it on here. Now a really cool thing I like about this chair is because it has 2 batteries, it's easy to switch to either side. So say we ran out of battery on this one, then you just switch it over and it's going to draw battery or power from the battery on this side. You have 2 ways of charging it. You can charge it directly on the joystick, or you can also charge it directly on the battery. So if I pull up this clip, the battery will slide out and it just pops right out like that. And you have a charging port right here. So if you didn't want to bring the whole chair inside your home, you want to leave it in your car, you can just take the battery out and charge it right in your home using the same charger, which is really nice. Also, another thing I really like about this chair that I think is pretty unique is the armrest flip up for easy transfer. So not only do they just flip up, but they can flip all the way back like that. So it goes back really far. A lot of chairs only go flip up to about right here, but they flip all the way back, so it makes the transfers really easy.
Hey guys, we're giving away a free mobility scooter on March 15th. We're doing this monthly, and all you have to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel and also comment on one of our videos. And once you do those 2 things, you'll be eligible for the next giveaway, which is March 15th.
And the thing that everyone loves about the chair is it comes with this attendant remote, okay? So in order to operate this, you have to have the joystick turned on, which I do have. And I'll show you how cool this is. So let me turn this on. Actually, the reason why it's not turning on right now is because the other battery I have on the other side that it's switched to is not charged. So I'm gonna flip it to the number 2, which is gonna draw power off of this battery. And now you can see it turns on, right? So in order to operate this, all you have to do is hold this down for about 3 or 4 seconds. This is the power button on the remote. And you can see it lights up. And you can control everything that you would normally do on the joystick right from here. So I can control the speed control, and you can see how it's going down on the joystick. I can honk the horn. And of course I can operate it. This mimics like the joystick. So this is a perfect solution for someone that is a caretaker and they're taking care of someone that doesn't have the ability to operate the chair on their own. You can operate it with this. So I really like that. A lot of the ComfyGo chairs have this now. It's also good if you're someone that has some type of medical condition. So let's say you just don't have the ability to use the joystick. You can operate this instead of the joystick and just hold it in your hand. You can hold it against your chest like this. You can just hold it in your lap. You can hold it right here, and I can operate it now. So really like this. And this is why I say it's one of the more revolutionary chairs in the industry. ComfyGo is a really awesome brand. We've been working with them for a while. They have excellent warranty and their support is fantastic. If anything ever goes wrong with the chair, they're really quick to get it resolved for you. Parts are easy to get. We also are offering a 7-day free trial in this chair. So the way that works is if you purchase the chair like you normally would, When you receive it, you have 7 days to try it, but you have to try it indoors, and you have to keep all the packaging. So when you order, so this is how it works. You have to order it. Once you receive it, you have 7 days from that point to try it, but it has to be indoors. You have to keep all of your packaging. If for some reason you don't like the chair, like it doesn't fit you correctly, you don't feel comfortable in it, just call us within that time period. We'll send you a prepaid return label, package it up. As long as it's received in good condition, you're gonna issue a refund in full. So it's a risk-free way of trying this out. And we're so confident in this brand, that's why we offer this trial. So really awesome lightweight chair, really like ComfyGo. They're really one of the more up and coming brands in the industry. And if you have any questions about the Phoenix, give us a call. We have lots of videos about a lot of the ComfyGo products. The Phoenix, we have several videos. We have an unboxing video so you can expect what you receive when you get it. It's pretty much assembled. All you have to do is attach the joystick and the leg rest. Everything else is pretty much done for you. So it's easy to assemble. And we'd love to earn your business. Give us a call. Our phone number is 1-800-682-9444, or visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com. Have a good day.